I'm John with badcredit.org, and most of us think of a bank account as a place to store our money. But what if your account could actually help you build credit? Today, we're diving into the Current account, a digital solution that promises to help you do just that. And by the end of this video, you should know if Current's high-tech approach to banking can actually help you build stronger finances and credit scores. But before we get into all the details, I wanted to let you know that you can find our full review of the Current account on badcredit.org. It goes into much more detail on the specific terms and conditions, and it includes a look at its mobile app features, a comparison with similar banking options, and a breakdown of the rewards program. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. Our review of the Current account found that its best feature might be its credit building simplicity. Unlike traditional secured credit cards or credit builder loans that require separate accounts and deposits, Current integrates credit building directly into your everyday spending by linking your account with its Build card, a secured credit card that doesn't require a credit check. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone who wants to improve their score without changing their daily habits. Plus, with features like early direct deposit and fee-free ATM access, Current is pretty attractive as a primary bank account. But there are a few aspects of the Current account to consider if you want to get the most out of it. First, you do need to have a qualifying direct deposit to unlock some of its best features, including the credit building secured card. Also, because it's a fintech platform and not a traditional bank, some users might miss having access to physical branch locations for in-person support. But the app is very easy to use. So, if you're ready to make the move to all digital convenience, it's a great way to get started. Ultimately, the Current account is an ideal choice for anyone who is tech savvy and wants an opportunity to build credit while saving money. For more details and to see how Current ranks against other digital banking platforms, click the link in our description to read the full review at badcredit.org. And if you like content like this and want to learn more about your finances and how to manage them, subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and expert credit advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.